How to get refund on DHgate account. Let's get started. Launch your DHgate app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of account. Once you're on the account page, here you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Under more features, you'll find the option of contact us. Go ahead and click on this option of contact us. You'll be directed to this page. Now click on the option of order related problem and report issues. Now here you will see the option of online service. Click on this option. You will be directed to this page. Click on the option of online chat. Now from here you can easily have conversation with DHgate customer service team. Here you'll see the message box. Type in get refund and then send it. With that, all of your ordered items will pop up. Go ahead and select the item for which you want to get the refund. Then you can select the reason for the refund and then send it. If your request is valid and if you're eligible to get the refund, you will be provided with the refund by DHgate. This way you can easily get refund on DHgate. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.